Hello everyone! Today's video from Clever Mom is about the best air fryers in 2023. In this video, we will be bringing you the features, advantages and disadvantages of each product to help you decide which one suits your needs the most. Number 1. Cosori Pro Air Fryer Oven Combo. This thing is a game changer in the kitchen, let me tell you. It's an air fryer and an oven in one, so you can save so much space in your kitchen by not having to buy two separate appliances. But the real magic happens when you start using it. You can cook anything from crispy French fries to juicy chicken with little to no oil. And it comes out just as delicious as the fried grass. It's so much healthier for you. But the oven function is just as impressive. It has a large capacity and can cook various dishes from roast to casserole. And the best part is that it has a relatively high water, so you can make your own snack like fried food or beef jerky. Clever Mom totally recommends it as the best value air fryer in the market. Number 2. Ninja Forkward Air Fryer. This little guy is the perfect size for a small family or anyone who wants to save some counter space. The Ninja Forkward Air Fryer is so easy to use. You will be whipping up crispy French fries and juicy chicken in no time. And the best part is you don't have to worry about all the oil and grease that comes with deep frying. With this air fryer, you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods without guilt. One of the things I love most about this air fryer is that it's so easy to clean. The forkward basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious healthy meals. And the compact size of this air fryer makes it perfect for small kitchens, job rooms, and even RVs. It can fit on most countertops and can easily be stored away when not in use. Number 3. Ninja DZ 201 Air Fryer. This air fryer is one of the best on the market and it has two baskets, which means you can cook two dishes at the same time. This is a huge time saver and makes meal prep so much easier. Whether you are cooking a main dish and a side dish or two main dishes, you can get everything done in one go. This air fryer is also super efficient. With its powerful heating element, you can cook your food quickly and evenly. And because it's an air fryer, you don't have to worry about using a lot of oil, so your food will be healthier and more nutritious. The best part is that the two baskets are non-stick and dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is a breeze. Number 4. Prevail Smart Oven Air Fryer. This kitchen appliance is one of the best on the market, and here's why. First of all, it's a toaster oven and an air fryer in one, so you save so much counter space by not having to buy two separate appliances. And the best part is it's packed with features that make cooking a breeze. The Prevail Smart Oven Air Fryer has a large capacity, so you can cook everything from a whole pizza to a batch of cookies. And because it's an air fryer, you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt since it uses little to no oil. But what sets this oven apart is its smart features. It has built-in features that tell you when your food is perfectly cooked. And it also has an automatic shutoff feature, so you never have to worry about overcooking your food. Number 5. Instant Vortex 6-Quart Air Fryer. This air fryer has been making waves in the kitchen, and here's why. First of all, the 6-quart capacity is perfect for a small family or for anyone who wants to cook for one or two. And because it's an air fryer, you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods without any guilt since it uses little to no oil. But what sets the Instant Vortex apart is its performance. With its powerful heating element and precise temperature control, you can cook your food perfectly every time. And the best part is, it's so easy to use. Simply select your cooking temperature and time and let the Instant Vortex do the rest. Another advantage of this air fryer is that it's so easy to clean. The non-stick basket and brick pan are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious healthy meals. I hope you guys found this review helpful, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.